Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm filming this from my phone today because I just lost 4 weeks of footage from my camera and I don't want to risk losing this video again. I'm just refilming my vanity tour now that I have kind of the dream layout for my filming setup and makeup collection. I'm just going to give you a tour of how I organize everything, what I use to film. I did have the Power of Makeup and a red lip glam look filmed that I will be recreating, but not today. So I'm just gonna do the vanity tour since it's a quick, fun video, and I know I like to show off my collection and talk about makeup, so I hope you guys like it too. So this is in my basement. I have these curtains hung up on a curtain rod that's up there, and this is my backlight, which I don't have on right now, but we're gonna open the curtains and I'm just gonna show you the setup. So first off, I have a ring light there, a ring light over there, and then this mirror, which changes colors and is really, really pretty. I have a reflector that the ring light's hitting off and it hits me perfectly. Over here is like my pigment collection, some eyeliners, some glitters. This used to be the Suva Beauty Hydra liners, but they went out of business and they were so old, so I had to get rid of them. Some miscellaneous decorations, which I mostly thrifted. Lit Cosmetics actually sent that to me with a glitter package and I was so happy. I won one of their giveaways. Over here, my toddler's showing you the brushes. Go ahead and spin them. It's my brush collection. I really condensed my brushes down and got rid of a lot. I painted this table. This is what I use to film because I want to be far enough away from my camera for it to look good. So I can't have my makeup at the desk. I usually put it here, whatever I'm using for the video. My chair, which was also got at a liquidation sale. It's so cute. It's a little wobbly. A fan because it gets hot with all these lights. I have some softbox lighting up here, which I don't really use. A huge mirror back here. So that has additional lighting in the mirror, and I don't use those lights either because they're just a little too bright and they oversaturate my looks, but they are nice when I'm not filming. Over here, we used children's bookshelves to organize all my palettes. So I have these Target containers that I painted and put hair things in. Here's all my palettes so my toddler can't get them. And then over at the vanity on the top, so I have this light that changes colors. It's really nice. I got it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Over here is things I have to film with, new things I got or things that just need put away, as well as some miscellaneous things. And then my bloody lip tints stay up here because I do grab for these a lot. They're really, really good. And then the star of the show are these Amazon cabinets. They're a dupe for the IKEA ones, and they're so, so nice. I'm just gonna run through the drawers. So on top, I have my Meron paint palette. This shelf right here has all my face things like primers, foundations, powders, concealer, setting sprays. It's a little messy. It was more organized. Down here is like fun things like jewels, face paints, primer, lash glue, mascara, eyeliners, and then little single shadows. This drawer is cream blushes, powder blushes, bronzers, highlights, and then palettes. Down here is all my lip stuff, so glosses, lipsticks, kind of organized, and then liners. This drawer is all my lash stuff, so these are DIY extensions, and then these are just falsies. And over here is not really makeup, but it's more just fun, artistic stuff. So I have my practice palette, all my stickers and stamps, and miscellaneous things to glue on my face. This is just a bunch of headbands and bandanas. Down here is extras of things that I have on stock, some cotton pads, earrings, and a couple miscellaneous filming things. Down here is all my hair stuff, so my hairsprays, gels, clips, etc. And then down here is my hair tools, which this drawer doesn't really like to open because all the wires. There's a couple curling irons, a blow dryer, a straightener. And then up here, I just have some makeup removers and some curlers. And then I got this new rug a couple weeks ago. So that's the full tour, and I like my setup, and it really works for me, and I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts. So that's the full vanity / makeup room tour. This room is in our basement. We have a refinished basement, which we're super lucky to have, and I have a lot of space down here, which I know a lot of people don't have. If you have any questions about anything I showed you or products you saw you'd like to see, just comment below, and as always, I'm Sparkling Jules MUA on all platforms. Please give me a follow if you'd like to, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.